Today I'll be doing the VI peel. This specific one is the Precision Plus, which is amazing for skin pigment and hyperpigmentation. It has extra booster that lightens and brightens the skin. Peels, we layer the treatment. We'll have the patient sit with it for about 4 hours. If they are used to doing peels, I will have some of my patients sit with it for about 6 hours. They wash it off. It comes with its own at-home kit and personal care. The great thing about the VI peel, it's for all skin type. VI peel has different versions where we could do the Precision Plus for the pigments, which is the one that we're doing. We have the one for acne, one for texture. It's really a great peel. This VI peel is good for texture, fine line wrinkles, your pores, pigments. It's just a reset. You're peeling off all the dead skin and she's gonna have new, beautiful skin. The VI peel comes with its own at-home kit, so for that whole week, you don't need to use any of your products at home. It's already in your package. Just let me take this out. You have your post cream and you have your sunscreen that you should use. You have your peeling pads, which are very important. Right here, and it even has its own cleanser and the directions for you. So it's pretty easy to follow if you're like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. It's right here, step 1, all the way up to step 7.